Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. Take a look at this picture, it's the YouTube homepage. Notice how every part is neatly separated. The navigation bar, sidebar and the video gallery. Beautiful, right? In HTML, we use a tag called div for division. It's a fundamental tag in web development. We also have the span tag. Let's explore them in Visual Studio Code. I've already set up the file for div and span. In the body, we have two paragraphs and their headings. Let's check them out in the browser. Right click and open this file in live server. You can see our paragraphs are listed as expected. Now, I want to separate these paragraphs into two sections using div tag. We need to wrap both paragraphs in divs. Here, type div and hit enter. Move the first section into first div. Now, create one more div for the second paragraph and move it inside. Let's see this in browser. Although it might not seem like much has changed, our paragraphs are now in separate divisions. To confirm, let's change the background color of the divs. In HTML, we have a style attribute for styling elements. Let's add this attribute to our div tags. In CSS, the background color property changes the background color. Set it to red for the first div and green for the second div. We will learn more about styling in our upcoming videos. Back to the browser. And now you can see the two different divisions. Let's clear up any confusion between elements and tags. A tag is just opening and closing tag, but an element is the opening plus closing tag with its inner content called an element. Now let's move to the span tag. To understand the span tag, let's first grasp the concept of block level and inline level elements. Block level elements consume the entire available width like headings and divs, whereas inline elements only take the required width. The span tag is an inline element. Let's see this in Visual Studio Code. Creating a new heading, and after that adding a span tag. Let's add some colors to these tags to see it more clearly. Now get back to our browser. You can see the heading tag takes all the width, but the span tag only takes the required width. I hope you understood these tags. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course. Save this playlist. I hope you're enjoying this course. Like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.